I'm sure a lot of Spurs fans sort of hope that the Jekyll and Hyde Spurs days of lurching from one dismal performance to an excellent performance were maybe a thing of the past, but we've seen that in the last week. What gives you the confidence that tomorrow we'll see a performance more like Tuesday nights than last Saturday's?
I always believe when we go into every game that we will put a good performance out there and do well. I think what gives me some confidence that we will put a good performance out there is that I think most of the performance we put out this year has been good in general over the season. I'm not talking about only about home. There's been some that's not been top. Two of them don't want to run away from that was against Bournemouth and Chelsea at home, where the two teams did very well, and we on the day didn't find the right solutions to match them. But I'm very confident because I think I see the right layers, the attitude in the players, the ability to want to improve. So yeah, it's another big game coming up that we are ready for, that we are looking forward to. Get the fans behind us, and yeah, we're ready to do everything we can to win the game.